You only have a certain amount of time in this world. What I'm saying is, why waste it going in and working for somebody else? Wherever you go in life, people need their garage door fixed. See all these cars right here? They all got to go in a garage, and they all want to push their button and drive in. So all these guys have garage door remotes in their car, and they push the button and they go in. They even built them into your car now, like these up here. They're all built in. So everything's designed for your garage. And the garage breaks down just as much as all these cars out here break down. Probably more. You don't even have to crawl under a dirty, greasy hood where it's real hot under there. So the 10 or 15 minutes I work pays for 3 hours of working on a car. Way easier too. Trades they're always gonna need this trade. People got to get in their garage, right? They're not gonna stop opening their garage doors. People don't even think about it. But when they break, they got to get them fixed. So if you want to you have stability in life, you don't have to worry about getting laid off or any of that. Learn the garage door trade. You'll never have a recession. You go out comfortably and buy things and not worry, oh, what if I get laid off? Any of that feeling, all that goes away, which is a good thing. You don't have to be at someone else's mercy and kiss any boss's ass just so that you don't get laid off or they give you a crappy schedule or whatever. You don't have to do that. Go do your own thing, live your own life. You only have a certain amount of time in this world. What I'm saying is, why waste it going in and working for somebody else? Look how many doors are here. There's doors back there. There's 2 doors here. Look over there. There's doors over there. 3 more doors here. There's doors everywhere. Everyone's got doors. They all break. You guys should get in this business. If you're living in a deserted city with no work, you're going to be a bum with no teeth. What you do is get into a big city. You can make $10 million a year easily doing this business. If you hire people and they're out all day doing repairs, you can make so much money. You'll be getting like thousands every hour will be pouring at you every day. You'll be doing that in cities like this. People all over here all day long, every day they call you. So anyway, don't forget to hate and subscribe, or don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Later. Over and out. GarageDoorTrainingSchool.com. Our school's proven. We're going to get you into business. We'll see you in the class. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.